A very good morning to you students. Welcome back to my class. Today I am going to teach you the subject GK. Okay, in that you are going to learn the topic our helpers. Children, the word itself will tell you the meaning. Helpers. Who are the helpers? The one who helps us, okay, in different ways, okay. We call them as helpers, okay children, because we cannot do the things or we cannot do certain works, okay, by our own, okay. Can you be able to build one building, children? Is it possible for you? No, it's not possible for me also, right? Yes. Okay, if I am sick, children, okay, can I do medication on my own? No, I need to go to a doctor. Yes, is it? Okay. And if you want one chair or one table, okay, you want that, okay, and you will have some wood piece, okay, and all those things, but still you are not able to do that. Yes, because there are certain people who are only skilled, okay, they are the only one who can do that. Yes, they are called as the helpers, okay. Yes, it may be their profession, okay, it may be their work, everyday work, okay, they are very good at doing those things, right? So we call them as helpers, okay. Children, in our surrounding we see all of this, okay. We see a police station, right? Yes, do you see a police station? Yes. Did you see this fire station? Yes, okay. And have you ever visited the hospital? Okay. And you know very good, okay. This is a school, okay. Yes. And okay, so children, in our neighborhood, okay, in our neighborhood we find all these places like post office, hospital, and this school, okay, police station, fire station, those things, those places we find, okay, in our neighborhood, okay. And here we have certain people. When we go to a school, you will find a teacher, right? She will help you, right? Okay. And when you go to a hospital, you will find a nurse and a doctor, right? Okay. So those people, we call them as helpers, children. Yes. Okay. Children, I have written certain names, okay, on this blackboard. Okay. Now let us see. Farmer, postman, tailor, doctor, policeman, plumber, nurse, cobbler, carpenter, mason, driver, gardener, teacher, chef, fireman, hairdresser, electrician, pilot. Okay, they were called as, children, they are called as the helpers. Okay, who are they? They are the helper, the one who helps us, okay, in different ways. We call them as helpers, okay. Now let us see one by one, children, okay. Now farmer. Who is a farmer? Farmer is the one who helps us to grow the crops, right? Yes, we eat rice, wheat, everything, children. Yes, we eat many of things, right? Yes, whatever we eat, okay, those things are planted, okay. Those things are planted by the farmer, right? Who grows the crops? Farmer grows the crop, okay. Yes, so farmer is one of the helper. He helps us to eat the food daily, right? Yes. Where do we get the rice? Though we get it from the market, or though we get it from the shops, okay, who will give to the shops? You know that? No. Okay, it is the farmer who sells the crops, right? He is the one who grows the crop, children. So we must be very thankful to him every day, because we eat the food every day, because he has struggled every day and night, right? Okay, in order to grow one crop, it is very difficult. He has to put the manure, he has to put the water and whatever things, and he has to take care of all the crops. Then only the crops will come. Right, children? Yes. So our helpers, okay, farmer is one of our helper. Who is a farmer? A farmer is a person who grows the crops, okay? Yes. Now let us see one more. Postman, okay? Yes. Who is the postman? Okay, have you ever visited the post office? Yes. When we visit a post office, children, yes, mails will come, right? Yes, you will get lot of posts, okay, in your name and in your in people's name, okay. So those postman will collect all the post and he will go in search of the houses and he will distribute that post, okay. Who is a postman? Postman is a person who distribute the posts or mails, okay. Yes, and he is a person who visit all the houses, okay, to distribute the posts or the letters, okay, maybe. Yes, yes, any of the mails, letters, posts will be distributed by the postman. Yes, so he is also one of the helper, okay. He helps. Otherwise what we have to do? We should go, right? We should go and collect. It's not possible. So there is only one person, okay, one person who will distribute, okay. In each and every post office there will be a different postman, okay, children. Yes. Now let us see one more. Who is the next one? Tailor. Yes, I hope everyone knows who is a tailor. Your parents may stitch the clothes, yes, right? Okay. When you visit the tailor, what they do? They always sit in front of a machine and stitch, right? Yes. So who is a tailor, children? Tailor is a person who stitches the clothes, okay? Who stitches the clothes, okay? Yes, who mends the clothes, who repairs the clothes, who stitches the clothes, okay? He is called as a tailor, okay? Yes. Now see the next one. Who is that? Is a doctor. Who is a doctor, children? Yes, the doctor is a person who gives medicines and who will treat our sickness, right? Who will treat our diseases, right? Yes, a person who treats us, right? Who treats and gives us the medicine, right? Okay. When you visit the hospital, okay, did you ever seen have you ever seen a doctor? Yes, there are different kinds of doctors, okay. There are different varieties of doctors, yes, and they are specialized in many things, okay. So for teeth, okay, if you have any teeth problem, okay, then you have to visit a dentist, right? Yes. Then if you have any problem with your eyes, you have to visit the eye specialist, okay. Yes, and if you are a small kid, you have to visit a pediatrician, right? Yes. So children, there are varieties of doctors, and in the hospital you will find the doctor. Doctor is a person who treats us when we are sick, okay. Yes. Okay, he is also one of the helper. Children, without them, is it possible for us to do all of this our work? No, because we need the helpers. Yes, yes. Okay, now let us see the next one. Who is that? Is a policeman. As I already said you, when you go visit a police station, okay, you will find a policeman. Who is a policeman? He is a person. He will protect us. Okay. We are in fear of the thieves and dacoits, robbers, everything, right? Everyone, right? Okay, now the policeman will protect us, okay? He's a person who protects us, okay? Yes, when we all were asleep, okay, the policeman will just guard our neighborhood, right? Yes. Okay, so the policeman. Next, who is a plumber, children? Plumber is a person who repairs the taps, okay. When you have some problem with your taps, okay, you will call a plumber, okay. He will come and he will repair all the taps, okay. and he will make everything easy, right? Yes, so he is called as the plumber. The plumber is a person who will take care of the taps, okay, who will correct and who will repair the taps, okay. Yes, not only repairing, if there is any installation, okay, if you want a new tap, you can call a plumber and he will arrange everything, okay. Now let's see the next one. Nurse, okay. Okay, you have seen a doctor, yes? Have you seen a nurse in the hospital? Yes. How she will be dressed? She will dress in white. Sometimes she will have all the hairdo, yes. Then she will have even like stethoscopes and those things also, yes. She will hold one box and come like this, right? Yes, nurse. Okay, who is a nurse? Nurse is a person who nurses, okay, nurses. And she, if you fell ill, okay, when the doctor come and see you, right, then the nurse will come and she will put the bandage and she will clean all the wounds, right, and she will do all such things. Yes, she will take care of yourself. Nurse will take care of take care the patients, okay. Yes. Now cobbler. Who is a cobbler, children? Cobbler is a person who mends our shoes, okay. If you have any repair, okay, if you want to stitch your shoes, okay, or sandals, you can go to a cobbler. Who is that? Cobbler, okay. Yes, cobbler is a person who mends our shoes, okay. Good. Now let's see the next one. Who is that? Carpenter. As I said you earlier, carpenter, he can make a beautiful chair, he can make a beautiful table. Yes, he is a person who can do all the woodworks, okay, anything out of wood, okay. If you tell I need this, okay, he can do that. Yes. So carpenter, who is that? Person who can do the woodworks. Yes, he's a carpenter. He can repair the wood items. Yes. Now let's see. Mason. Who is a mason, children? Mason is a person who can help you to construct a building, okay. If you want a building, okay, if you want all the plastering, okay, on the floor or those things, you can go to a mason. Mason is a person who can build a house. He can build a house, okay. Now let's see the next one. Driver. Who is a driver, children? Driver, okay. When you go to any institution like school, police, bus station, railway station, you have a driver. Who is a driver? Driver is a person who drives, okay, and who drives a bus. Bus driver, who drives a bus, okay. Car driver, he drives a car. Yes, okay. Auto driver, he is a person who drives the auto, okay. So a driver is a person who drives the vehicles, okay. He drives the vehicles, okay. Let's see the next one. Gardener. Who is a gardener? Gardener is a person who takes care of the garden, okay. He arranges all the water, he waters the plants, okay, daily, and he will cut the plants if required, okay, and he will remove some of the unwanted grasses and from the on this thing ground, okay. So he is a person who takes care of the entire garden, okay. Gardener, okay. Let's see the next one. Teacher, okay. I am the teacher. What am I doing now? I am teaching you, okay. Can you be able to teach, can you be able to learn on your own? No, it's not possible, children. Yes, you need to either come to school or a teacher should teach you, right? Yes, so a teacher is a person who teaches the students, okay. Yes. Now let's see the chef. Who is a chef? chef. When you go to one hotel, children, okay, you will eat all such varieties of food, right? Like masala dosa and pani puri and many other varieties of dishes, okay? If you eat biryani or those things, okay, masalas and all, who will prepare all those? It's done by the chef, okay? In a hotel or a restaurant, there is a chef, okay, the one who cooks the food, okay? Yes, he not only cooks for his own, he not only cooks for his own family, right? He cooks for everyone. Whoever goes to a hotel, okay, who will prepare the food for all of them, okay? It's a chef who prepares the food, right? Okay, so chef is a person, children, who prepares the food, okay, who cooks the food, okay? He's also one of our helper. Then let's see the next one, fireman. Who is a fireman? I showed you one picture, okay? That's a fire station, okay? Yes, see, here is a person standing here over there, okay? One person is standing over there, okay? He's a fireman, okay? He will be always dressed like a policeman, okay? And his van you can see backside, okay? And this fireman will come at any time to light off the fire, okay? When there is a fire caught, okay, catches, okay, we can call the fireman, okay, fire service, okay? Then that person will come. No, he is a fireman. Fireman is a person who protects us from the fire, okay? Who protects us from the fire, okay? Or he can extinguish the fire, okay? Yes. Now see the next one. He is a hairdresser. Who is a hairdresser, children? Okay. Do you visit the salon every week or once in 15 days? Yes. When you go to a salon, okay, you will find one barber, right? Yes. He will hairdress you, okay? Whatever style you say, okay, any cut if you ask, okay, he will be ready for you to do that. Yes. So he is a hairdresser, okay? Okay, person who can dress your hair, okay? Yes. Now electrician. See, electrician means a person who takes care of the electrical appliances, okay? He can repair the electrical things, okay? If there is any shocks or current, okay, excess current and those stuffs, okay, you can call the electrician. And if there is any repair of your switches and the fan, any electrical items, children, he is a person who comes and do that, okay? He is called the electrician, okay? Yes. Next, who is a pilot? Did you see the pilot? Pilot means he is a person who runs the aeroplanes, right? Yes, see him here. He's a pilot. How is he dressed? Okay, he is dressed in a uniform, right? Yes. Okay, so pilot is a person who drives the aeroplane, okay? Yes. So he is a pilot. See, children, you can find some of the pictures. This is a pilot. See a nurse here, how she is dressed. She is always dressed in a uniform. Yes. And see here one more. Who is this? He's a policeman. See a carpenter. See, he's cutting the wood, okay, to make some good wooden items, okay? Then see the farmer, okay? He always works in the farm. Who is this? He's the doctor, okay? Have you seen the doctor coat? Yes. Have you seen the stethoscope? Yes. She's a doctor, okay? Now see one more. Tailor. Okay, how is a tailor? How can I make a notice person by seeing the dress? Yes, he holds one scissor, yes, and there is a tape which is hanging around his neck. Yes. See a plumber, what is he doing? He just repairs the taps, right? Okay, he's holding one spanner and when he's repairing that water came down, right? Yes. Now, doctor, you have seen a doctor, plumber, yes, carpenter, and a policeman. How is this person? He's a policeman. He's in the uniform. Yes. Okay. So children, these are the few helpers, okay, who helps us every day. You can even write one more name here. That is of maid. Okay. Now this maid is very much important because in our house we don't work, right? We call the maids from outside. Maids means the person who comes and cleans the utensils and washes the clothes, and even and certain times she sweeps the floor. Yes, she helps us to clean the clean our house. Okay, for whom they call as maid. Okay, maid is a person who cleans the house. Okay, so children, these are some of the few our helpers. Okay, few names of our helpers. Okay, yes, and they have their own names, children, but by their profession, by their work, okay, by their roles, okay, we call them as by these names. Okay, yes. So we'll once again study. It's a farmer, postman, tailor, doctor, policeman, plumber, nurse, cobbler, carpenter, mason, driver, gardener, teacher, chef, fireman, hairdresser, electrician, pilot, and maid. Okay, so these are the few names of our helpers. I hope you understood this class. Okay, if you have any doubts, okay children, you please call me and ask. Okay, and I will come with something more interesting topics in my next class. Okay, yes, take care of yourself. Okay, bye.